Today we are going to learn about 15 different farm animals.
Cow. Domestic cows are one of the most common farm animals around the world. Cows are members of the order Artiodactyli. The order contains even toad-hoofed mammals. Cows have distinctive eclavation. Cows are well adapted for grazing, with a wide mouth and specialized teeth for eating tough vegetation.
Pig. Pigs are highly intelligent, social animals, displaying elaborate maternal, communicative, and affiliative behavior. Wild and feral pigs inhabit wide tracts of the southern and midwestern United States, where they thrive in a variety of habitats.
Sheep. Sheep are basically timid animals who tend to graze in flocks and are almost totally lacking in protection from predators. They mature at about 1 year of age, and many breed when they reach the age of about 1.5 years. Most births are single, although sheep do have twins on occasion.
Goat. They are one of the cleanliest animals and are much more selective feeders than cows, sheep, pigs, swine, and even dogs. Goats are very intelligent and curious animals. Their inquisitive nature is exemplified in their constant desire to explore and investigate anything unfamiliar which they come across.
Horse. Horses have oval-shaped hooves, long tails, short hair, long slender legs, muscular and deep torso build, long thick necks, and large elongated heads. The mane is a region of coarse hairs, which extends along the dorsal side of the neck in both domestic and wild species.
Carabao. Carabaos have fellow, wide, and heavy build of draft animals. They vary in color from light gray to slate gray. The horns are sickle-shaped or curve backward toward the neck.
Donkey. The mane is short and upright, and the tail, with long hairs only at the end. It is more cow-like than horse-like. The very long ears are dark at the base and tip, although slower than horses. Donkeys are sure-footed and can carry heavy loads over rough terrain.
Rabbit. Rabbits can be easily timid, shy, curious, and high-spirited, regardless of sex or breed type. They show affection in characteristic ways, choosing to sit near you, climbing on your back, or nibbling at your socks.
Turkey. Turkeys are dark overall, with a bronze-green iridescence to most of their plumage. Their wings are dark, boldly barred with white. Their rump and tail feathers are broadly tipped with rusty or white. The bare skin of the head and neck varies from red to blue to gray.
Dove. Doves are amazing animals. Their capacity to find their way home over hundreds, even thousands of kilometers, is unrivaled in the animal kingdom. This uncanny ability has seen them used for centuries to deliver messages for royalty, military leaders, and other notable figures.
Duck. Ducks are highly intelligent and emotional creatures. They can understand commands, play with toys, play games, give kisses, and beg for snuggles like other birds if you take the time to work with them. If handled frequently and gently from an early age, ducks will become quite sociable with people.
Pigeons. Pigeons are gentle, plump, small-built birds with a skin saddle between the peel and forehead. All pigeons strut about with a characteristic bobbing of the head. Because of their long wings and powerful flight muscles, they are strong, swift flyers.
Dog. Research indicates that dogs have personality traits such as calmness, boldness, trainability, and sociability. Every owner knows their dog to perfection, and it is important for them to match activities to their dog's needs.
Cat. The cat is independent personality, grace, cleanliness, and subtle displays of affection have wide appeal. Typically, cats are creatures of habit. They are inquisitive, but not adventurous, and are easily upset by sudden changes of routine.